What steps should you take to prepare your home for sale? Selling your home? Let's make sure it stands out from the rest. Before you list, getting it market ready is the key to attracting serious buyers and scoring the best price. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. I remember one homeowner who thought their place was ready until buyers walked in. They loved the neighborhood, but immediately noticed small issues that could have been fixed, and we ended up losing an offer. That experience proves just how much first impressions matter. Now, here's the way buyers think. They're looking for like the three strike rule, is what I always tell sellers. As soon as they get to three strikes or three red flags, they're out. So when they drive in your neighborhood, they're looking around to see, okay, how does this place look? Is this a good neighborhood where I would want to live? And, if they see something there, then there's one strike there already. That doesn't even count what your house looks like. And then when they pull up to your house again, they're processing all that information about your curb appeal and how well your house looks taken care of, your landscaping and so forth. And then when they go through your house and they see any minor repairs even that haven't been made, that can be a strike too. So whether it's your first time selling or you have sold before, taking the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference in the world. It helps your home sell faster, for more money, and with much less stress. Before you make your move, let's go over these steps to ensure you're set for a successful sale. The first one is clean and declutter. This is the foundation of any sale. Buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if personal items are cluttered everywhere. Start by removing excess furniture, personal photos, and make sure surfaces, carpets, and windows are all sparkling clean. If you can, hire a professional cleaner or organizer to help. This can really help elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to buyers. And you know what else I always tell people? You're going to move anyway, so let's pack it up and put it in the garage. The garage doesn't really matter that much. The guy's going to look in there to make sure his truck will fit in there, but otherwise, I'd rather have your garage look like a disaster than your home look all cluttered up. All right, on to the next point. Make your home move-in ready. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and outside of your home. Fix minor repairs like leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or peeling paint, and boost curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, planting fresh flowers, and refreshing the front door with a fresh coat of paint. Even small improvements can make a big impact, signaling to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, which attracts more serious offers. You could also get a pre-inspection to cover hidden issues and ensure your home makes the best possible first impression. The third point is stage the home. Staging your home helps buyers see its full potential. You don't have to hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange furniture and highlight the flow and functionality of the rooms. Consider renting modern neutral furniture if your pieces are outdated. Light neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and more inviting. Don't underestimate the power of a well-lit home. And finally, price it right. Now that your home is looking at its best, the next and most important step is to price it correctly. Setting the right price is crucial. If it's too high, you risk scaring off potential buyers. If it's too low, you won't get the full value of your home. As local experts, we can help you analyze the comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demand to come up with the best price that attracts offers and gets you the best return. It's critical to trust a real estate professional who knows your neighborhood to help you set a competitive price. And that brings us to the final point, and that's partner with a great real estate agent. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, from preparation and pricing to marketing, negotiation, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, help you avoid over-improving, and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during this process. Most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line, keep the transaction on track, and help reduce stress so you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember, when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert like the Downing Group, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, give me a call or send me a message. Let's get your home sold for the best price in the shortest time. Have a great week.